In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from LaunchOS Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Settings. Now scroll to Hit Apps. Select the default apps here. Tap on Home app and click on Launcher Pro. Now hit Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, go into Launcher app and follow all of the instructions inside. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to the same settings and hitting System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!